After troubleshooting a slow leak on my Impala, I determined that the tires that I had on my car were absolute junk. And I determined that because the guy at the tire shop didn't use those exact words. And so when I say I determined, you get the point. I'm convinced that I just found the best budget muscle car tire. I'll show you what I got. The tires I got are, drum roll please, Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s. The rear tire size, 275 40 18s, and the fronts, 245 45 18s. Got the same sidewall, so they're gonna match front to rear. It's the widest tires I've ever had on my Impala. I'm really excited. Fast forward one day, I've got the wheels and I'm about to put them on the car. I'm so bad at waiting, I don't wait for anything. Anyone else like that with car parts? See you later, Goodyear Eagle GTs. Wouldn't want to be ya. The next video coming up is going to be a driving video. I'll give you my first impressions. Let's see if I can take some corners and keep this thing on the road. They say they're sticky, but let's see, I'll be the judge of that. Thanks so much, guys. If this was something that you were into, feel free to like and subscribe. More videos, more about the Impala, the 65 Impala, more about the 66 Impala. We have a truck project in the works back over there that you probably see the frame to, that I'll keep you up to date on. Check us out for more videos here. Thanks, guys.